Everyone, today we will learn about this 9th standard chemistry. So today we are going to complete this lesson and we are going to learn an important topic, that is laws of chemical combination. The scientists, they have prepared one element and they want to convert it into another element, and when they convert it into another element they got simple ratios, and accordingly they gave their hypothesis and it was confirmed and it was given as laws. And there are different laws of chemical combination. They are law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass. You know law of conservation of mass. Law of constant proportion. Okay, second one, law of constant proportion. Law of constant proportion. Law of multiple proportion. Third one, law of multiple proportion. Law of multiple proportion. Then fourth one, law of reciprocal proportion. Law of reciprocal proportion. Then fifth one, Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes, or Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes, or Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volumes. Okay, so it is known as Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes or Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volumes. So in your earlier classes, that is in 8th standard, you might have studied law of conservation of mass and law of constant, that is law of constant proportion. So in this year we will learn these three laws. Okay, so first one, law of multiple proportion. So this law of multiple proportion was given by John Dalton in 1804. John Dalton in 1804. Okay, and he told that when two elements combine to form more than one compound, one element வந்து combine ஆகி more than one compound form ஆகும்போது, for example A and B, when two elements combine to form more than one compound, then that element, that is A, that combines with fixed mass of B bears a simple numerical ratio. So ஒரு ரெண்டு element வந்து more than one compound form ஆகும்போது ஒரு fixed ratio it will form. That fixed ratio is a simple numerical ratio. Okay, I will explain it using an example. For example, carbon combines with oxygen to form two compounds. What compound? Carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. So you can assume this is A and this is B. So A combines with B to form the CO and CO2, or AB and AB2. So here CO, in which the mass of carbon is 12, and here the mass of oxygen is what? 16. Oxygen mass is what? 16, and carbon mass here also 12, 2 oxygen is there, so 16 into 32, 16 into 2 it is 32. So it bears a ratio 1:2. So in both the compound it has this ratio 1:2. So thereby we know that the law of multiple proportion has been confirmed. Okay, then law of reciprocal proportion, it was given by Jeremiah Richer. Okay, Jeremiah Richer in 1792. So this law of reciprocal proportion was given by Jeremiah Richer in 1792, and he told that if two different elements combine separately to form another compound, and in that another compound that will bear the same or same numerical, simple numerical ratio with one another. For example, carbon combines with hydrogen to form what? Methane. Here carbon combines with oxygen to form what? Carbon dioxide. Here hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. So here in these two compounds, carbon combines with hydrogen and here carbon combines with oxygen to form two compounds. There we get one ratio. And when you calculate the ratio of water in which hydrogen and oxygen combines to form 2:16, here also the ratio will be same to that of these two compounds. இங்கே இந்த ரெண்டு காம்பவுண்டுக்கு உண்டாகிற அந்த ratio வந்து same as that of this compound. We will see. So in methane, what are the elements combined? Carbon and hydrogen. Okay, carbon and hydrogen. Carbon atomic mass 12, hydrogen 4 hydrogen is there, so 4, and you know atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So 4 into 1, 4. Then carbon, here combining atoms on the carbon and oxygen. Carbon atomic mass 12 and oxygen 16 into 2. 2 oxygen 16 into 2, it is 32. So what is the ratio for methane and carbon dioxide? 4:32. 4:32. So when you simplify, you get 1:8. ஸோ இந்த ரெண்டு காம்பினேஷனுக்கு என்ன ரேஷியோ 1:8. அப்புறம் இங்கே உள்ளது பார்க்குறோம். இங்கே உள்ளது ஹைட்ரஜன் ஆக்சிஜன் எப்படி கம்பைன் ஆகிருக்கு. ஹைட்ரஜன் கம்பைன்ஸ் வித் ஆக்சிஜன் 2 ஹைட்ரஜன் அண்ட் ஆக்சிஜனுக்கு 16. அப்போ 2:16 என்ன ரேஷியோ வரும்? It will be equal to 1:8. So here also 1:8. இந்த காம்பவுண்ட் கம்பைன் ஆகும்போது we get 1:8. So this is how we have confirmed the law of reciprocal proportion. Then Gay-Lussac's law of combining volume or Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. Okay, when gases combine together, okay, they will the volume of the reactants and products will be the same, or it will be a simple numerical ratio when measured under similar condition or standard conditions of temperature and pressure. Okay, for example, 1 volume of hydrogen plus 1 volume of oxygen plus 1 volume of hydrogen, it gives 2 volume of H2O. Okay, that is nothing but 1 H plus another H. 1 volume of H plus another volume of H is what? 2 volumes of H. So 2 volumes of H plus 1 volume of oxygen will give what? 2 volume of H2O. That is, it is in the ratio 2:1:2. 2 moles 2 volume hydrogen 1 volume oxygen சேர்ந்து என்ன கொடுக்குது? 2 volume water. So it has a simple numerical ratio. Okay, when gases combine together, it bears a simple numerical ratio when measured under standard conditions of temperature and pressure. That is our what? Law of combining volume or law of gaseous volume. So this is how we have confirmed that. This is an example for law of gaseous volume. Okay, now we'll see the quantum number. Okay, so when you want to describe address, so someone asks the address, okay, you will tell the state first, then you will tell the city first, city second, then you will tell the street name, then you will tell what the number, door number, then you will tell the particular person name. Okay, so this is how you will describe the address. Whereas here in our atom will describe the numbers which is used to distinguish and describe the various atomic orbital or the electrons in an orbital is known as what? Quantum numbers. ஒரு நம்பர்ஸை வச்சு அட்டாமிக் ஆர்பிட்டலையும் எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் இருக்கிற அந்த அட்டாமிக் ஆர்பிட்டலையும் டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணோன்னா அது வந்து என்னது? தட் இஸ் நோன் அஸ் quantum numbers. So the numbers which is used to distinguish and describe the various atomic orbital and the electrons in atomic orbital is known as what? Quantum numbers. Okay, so there are different kinds of quantum number or different types of quantum number. First one, principal quantum number. Okay, first one, principal quantum number. Second one, azimuthal quantum number. Okay, second one, azimuthal quantum number. Third one, magnetic quantum number. Third one, magnetic quantum number. And fourth one, spin quantum number. Okay, first one, principal quantum number. Second one, azimuthal quantum number. Third one, magnetic quantum number. And fourth one, spin quantum number. First one, principal quantum number, it is represented as N. Okay, second, this azimuthal quantum number, it is represented as L. Okay, then magnetic quantum number, it is represented as M. Then spin quantum number, it is represented as S. Okay, so this principal quantum number, it is used to describe the energy level, major energy level present in an atom or the electrons present in different energy level. Then this azimuthal quantum number, it is used to describe the different subshells or orbitals present in an atom. Then this magnetic quantum number, it is used to describe the orientation of the different electrons and orbitals. Then the spin quantum number, it is used to describe the spin of the electron. Okay, when it is clockwise, it is plus half, and when the electron revolves in anti-clockwise direction, it is minus half. So these are the different kinds of quantum number, that is principal, azimuthal, magnetic and spin quantum number. So today we have learnt about the laws of chemical combination, that is law of multiple proportion, law of reciprocal proportion, Gay-Lussac's law of combining volume, then quantum number. What are the different types of quantum number? Principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number, and their different properties. It is used to describe the energy levels, it is used to describe the subshells or orbitals, and this is used to describe the orientation of the orbital, and the spin is used to describe the spin of the electron that revolves around the nucleus. If it is clockwise plus half, if it is anti-clockwise minus half. So these are the different quantum numbers we have learnt in this lesson. So we also completed this lesson. So this lesson is very important. So in which we have learnt about the Rutherford's model, its limitation, Bohr's model, its limitation, atomic number, mass number, valency, how to calculate valency, how to represent the atomic structure, what are the characteristics of fundamental particle, what are the other fundamental particle present, then the different laws of chemical combination, law of multiple proportion, law of reciprocal proportion, then law of combining volume, then the different quantum numbers. So everything we have learnt in this lesson. Okay, so this lesson is also very important. So we completed 3 lessons. Your assignment is you learn and write the 3 laws of chemical combination, that is law of multiple proportion, law of reciprocal proportion, and Gay-Lussac's law of combining volume. Learn and write the 3 laws. So these 2 laws you already studied in 8th standard. Only these 3 laws, very easy. You write the definition and then write only the example. Okay, law of multiple proportion, law of reciprocal proportion, then law Gay-Lussac's law of combining volume. Very easy. You write the definition, its example. Here also definition, its example. Here also definition, its example. Okay, so this is your assignment. So don't postpone your everyday assignment. Please do the everyday assignment. If you postpone, it is very difficult for you to learn before the exam. Okay, I am giving only few assignment compared to others. Okay, only the uploaded videos I am giving the assignment. So please do that assignment regularly. Send it to me. I am always there to check your assignment. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you.